Let us now see preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagents. The method which will be used over here is nucleophilic addition of Grignard reagent to carbonyl compounds, that is to aldehydes and that of ketones. Now this particular method follows addition, that is nucleophilic addition of Grignard reagent to a carbonyl compound followed by hydrolysis. Now let us see the generalization for this reaction. A carbonyl compound has a presence of C double bond O. When we carry out addition of a Grignard reagent, that is alkyl magnesium halide, to this, what we obtain is a adduct. Now look at it how the addition takes place. The alkyl group adds to the carbon atom and the magnesium halide part adds to the oxygen atom. So here we have the adduct. This adduct, that is the addition product, undergoes hydrolysis, that is addition of water. The addition of water takes place across the carbon oxygen bond, giving you OH to the carbon atom and hydrogen to the rest of the group. Thus, we obtain hydroxy magnesium halide and a alcohol is obtained here, that is by obtaining a hydroxy group. We can see this by some of the examples. The first example that we have is of methanol. What we are having over here is simplest of the aldehyde with one number of carbon atom, and that is methanol. Methanol undergoes a reaction with methyl magnesium halide. Most of the time the halide used is bromide. Here we have used a generalized example. So this is methyl magnesium halide. Same way, first adduct is obtained. So your CH3 adds to the carbon atom and magnesium halide to the oxygen atom. Further, it undergoes hydrolysis. Cleavage takes place over here, giving you OH on this side and hydrogen on the other side. Thus, I obtain ethanol as our product. So, starting with methanol and adding a Grignard reagent with one number of carbon atom, it gives us ethanol as our product. If I would have had here ethyl magnesium halide, my product would have been propanol. If it would have been 3 number of carbon atom, 3 plus 1, 4, that means I would have obtained butanol as my product. Let's see few more examples. Here we have the second aldehyde, and that is ethanol. To ethanol we are carrying out addition of a Grignard reagent, that is again methyl magnesium halide. Same way, methyl group adds to the carbon atom, magnesium halide to that of the oxygen, giving us a adduct. This adduct further undergoes hydrolysis to give us our product, and that is OH comes over here, hydrogen goes over there. Thus, it goes to give us propane 2-ol as our product, propane 2-ol as our product, and hydroxy magnesium halide as our byproduct. Understand one thing here, that what we find is that methanol is the only aldehyde which gives us a alcohol which is a primary alcohol as our product with the use of a Grignard reagent. That means by a use of a Grignard reagent, only methanol can give us a primary alcohol. Any other aldehyde will give you a secondary alcohol as our product. Whereas if I take a ketone, that is here propanone, carry out the addition with Grignard reagent, what I obtain over here is a adduct which further undergoes hydrolysis, giving me tertiary alcohol as my product. So we generalize here that methanol give us primary alcohol. Any other aldehyde other than methanol by making use of this method gives you a secondary alcohol, whereas a ketone shall always give us a tertiary alcohol as our product.